Yesterday we wrote the incident playbook for bad agent merges, detect, contain, rollback, postmortem, update AGENTS.md. Today we move left of the page. Humans should not be the first quality gate. Agents produce diffs at machine speed. Reviewers drown. The fix is an eval harness. It reads the PR. It checks your definition of done. It scores pass, warn, or fail. Only then does a human open the tab. Same brief language from earlier episodes. Same labels. Same risk matrix. Wired into CI so merge stays blocked until the harness is green or waved with audit. Turn the PR definition of done into machine checks, not a wiki paragraph. A YAML or JSON checklist. Required tests green. Lint and type check green. Secret scan clean. License scan if dep's changed. Diff size under cap or waiver linked. Agent label present. Model ID and tool name in description. Brief link present. Files out of scope empty. No mystery to-dos in changed lines. Docs updated when public API changes. Risk paths flagged for 2i review. Store this next to agents.md. Version it. Agents and CI both read the same file. If humans update the standard without updating the harness becomes theater. One source of truth. Pipeline shape. On every agent PR open and update. Fetch the diff. Parse changed paths against the risk matrix. Run deterministic checks first. Tests. Lint. Types. Secrets. Size. Labels. Metadata. Then optional model judge for soft quality. Completeness versus brief. Speculative scope. Missing tests for new branches. Banned phrase scan for customer copy. The model judge never alone merges. It only adds score dimensions. Hard fails block. Soft warns annotate. Output a machine readable report and a human summary comment on the PR. Cost tag the judge call. Task type agent PR eval. So you know what quality gates cost per week. Publish the rubric. 0 to 100 is optional. Pass warn fail is clearer. Pass means all hard checks green and soft score above threshold. Warn means hard green but soft issues or missing docs. Fail means any hard check red or risk path without required reviewers requested. Map scores to actions. Fail cannot merge. Warn can merge only with human note. Pass queues for normal review. Never hide the raw checklist behind a single magic number. Reviewers open the report and see which rule fired. Calibrate on 20 historical PRs. 10 good, 10 bad. Tune thresholds until false fail rate is low and false pass on known incidents is 0. Document the calibration set in the repo. You do not need a new product. GitHub Actions or GitLab CI as the runner. N8N or a small worker if you already route models. Grok 4.5 or your coding model for the soft judge only when the diff exceeds a line floor. Chat class for tiny renames. Reuse your autoroute map. Store the harness prompt in PromptForge. Version it. Canary the judge prompt on 10% of agent PRs for a week. Compare human rework with and without the soft score. Expand when rework drops. Roll back the judge if it nags and gets ignored. Keep deterministic checks always on. Soft judge is additive. Hard gates are load-bearing. The harness is not autopilot merge. It is attention routing. Humans spend minutes on risk and product judgment, not hunting missing labels. High-risk paths still need eyes. Auth, payments, infra, migrations, public API breaks, customer data. The harness enforces the 2i request and refuses green if reviewers are missing. When a human overrides a fail, require a reason code, wrong threshold, emergency, flaky test, log overrides. Weekly review of overrides becomes your harness backlog. If overrides cluster on one rule, fix the rule. If they cluster on one team, fix the training. Standards without feedback rot. Your move. Encode definition of done as a checklist file. Wire deterministic checks on agent-labeled PRs. Add a PR comment report. Canary a soft judge on 10%. Tune in tomorrow. We build the agent sandbox policy. What the coding agent may touch, network, and secrets in CI so eval and incident drills stay safe. Subscribe if you want the future without the fluff.